Let's play a game.
That's y'all put
Y'all
that
see
shit on
it?
me,
Y'all
man.
know what it is, man.
What the fuck going on? New piece?
New piece alert.
New piece.
You're not ready for this motherfucker.
Now I can talk when I walk, you heard?
You ain't got to talk no more. He do the talking for you.
He do the talking for me.
Jigsaw. Holla at him.
Know
Bro,
that shit?
but you always tell me you take care of your family, take care of all these people, though. Like, where you get money buying a new chain, bro?
Bro, LA be paying good money, man.
That
I got
way?
a lot of fans in LA. That way.
That
LA
way. Okay.
How much y'all, what you doing? Another 100 bands,
Little
man.
100, you know what I mean? Hondo.
Hundo.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
know what I'm saying? And y'all see it sit.
Oh, let me put this on for you, too.
Oh, put this on, man.
Yeah. Yep. These motherfuckers ain't ready for this shit, though.
That's a new piece.
These boys ain't ready with this bullshit.
What's
Bro,
that,
Nick,
man?
Nick, go ahead and test them things out, man.
Touch these shit, man.
We talking all that shit.
There we go.
Doing, right? Here's some of the background, Nick. Just so you boys know. Side two, side boob and all, man.
All the way.
This is for the motherfuckers that be on that bullshit. Man,
y'all see
get
it?
hypnotized.
Anyway, man. Anywhere it goes, still 6ix9ine, man. Still 6ix9ine. Anywhere it go.
That's that team done right.
I'm 150,000.
150. And we talking about the zeros, you know what I'm saying?
Man.
Oh, come out that ass, huh?
Yo, Jimmy, check my hoodie, man.
Oh, yeah, you got some right here. You know what I'm saying? It's that team done right shit. You motherfuckers.
Man.
Most of you motherfuckers won't even see this much money in your life.
In your life, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting a fucking house on my neck, man. What y'all niggas talking about?
That's that team done right shit, baby.
You know what I'm saying? This how we come in 2018. I'm done playing with y'all niggas, man.